by his partner, the skipper. Vamsi was looking for the single.
Up in the air, tried to go for a big one, probably too early. Point fielder circling, point fielder takes it. First blood drawn here for the Simhadri Vizag Lions.
Every going for the big one on the onside top edge, went high up in the air, and Dharani, the fielder, really a good catch, neat catch from him. He's one of the better fielders. They are
Cleanly creamed that over point. Room was given, and Ashwin gleefully accepting that first boundary for his side. After 5 for 1.
Bowled with the innings as well. Full delivery out, nicely played. One-handed shot, but in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4 for Abhinav. Bowling slightly full on that occasion, Ranjit.
Once again, a floaty kind of a delivery from Ranjit, and Ashwin is too good to miss out on these freebies. The 200th boundary.
Acha, by the way, I'll tell you something. Power BI is actually 10 times better than Microsoft Excel. And
The first ball of this match. Right at the button as well, wanting a single sent back by his partner, the skipper. Vamsi was looking for the single.
Up in the air, tried to go for a big one, probably too early. Point fielder circling, point fielder takes it. First blood drawn here for the Simhadri Vizag Lions.
Every going for the big one on the onside top edge, went high up in the air, and Dharani, the fielder, really a good catch, neat catch from him. He's one of the better fielders. They are
Cleanly creamed that over point. Room was given, and Ashwin gleefully accepting that first boundary for his side. After 5 for 1.
Bowled with the innings as well. Full delivery out, nicely played. One-handed shot, but in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4 for Abhinav. Bowling slightly full on that occasion, Ranjit.
Once again, a floaty kind of a delivery from Ranjit, and Ashwin is too good to miss out on these freebies. The 200th boundary. Cream that one. Ashwin Hebar now sighting the ball brilliantly. He's once again switched on, the skipper. Nicely clipped there, this time towards the shorter boundary. 6 runs, the first 6 of the inning. A GMR sixer of the match.
Beautifully, just see the way he picks up that length. Lovely position he gets into. And yeah, out of...
And greeted with a long hit. Does it have enough legs? It surely does. That will comfortably clear the long off fence.
That's a gorgeous shot. Balance as well. We were mentioning the balance. Beautifully balanced there. Lovely hands as well. Going through with the shot. And get on the onside this time. And the result is going to be the same. Back-to-back sixes here for Abhinav.
Nicely bowled by Kamil. Couldn't really read the length. Lucky boundary for Ashwin. Another 6. This time in the slot. Peppering the onside. This time the turn of Ashwin. Third 6 of this over.
In the slot, and it's out of the park as well. That's a lovely bat flip from him. Exactly what he can do so well.
There it is. There it is. This is what I've been saying. The moment it tosses up, they're going to go over, although he didn't middle it. But still it cleared the middle fielder.
Loses his shape, soft dismissal. Belapuri strikes in his very first delivery, and Abhinav's promising innings comes to an end. Just the wicket and the opening the Vizag Lions were looking for.
Awkwardly, it was a half tracker, but came in much quicker than he anticipated. So hit the top of the bat and comfortably.
They go high, yes, and they get the ban as well. For the Vijayawada Sunshiners, this time the captain moved in the crease, tries to play across the line, up goes the finger in a jiffy and just clipping the bails, and the decision stayed with the on-field umpire. Spot on analysis here by Ashok Malhotra as well.
Oh, what a stump. Brilliant stump by Ricky Boy. Vasu has to walk all the way back. Oh, look at that. Oh, and look at the stump. From Ricky Boy is nowhere. Nowhere. Not even in the frame. Gone, gone, gone.
Do you wish to move your data science career abroad? Apart from the high pay, a global outlook can really help you stand out from the crowd. and advance your
And look at the brilliance behind the stumps by Ricky Bowie. Wow, great glove work. Drill to the barrel. Catch, cries of catch, wide of the field at cover sweep. And after 22 deliveries, finally a boundary here for the Vijayawada Sunshine.
Deliveries. Nicely played. Another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries. When they dry up, you don't know where the next one is.
The runs are coming in at very slow pace. Through the covers this time, running nice and fast, and will go in the gap. Much better through the covers here, GSP Teja.
Degrees now. Once again, short ball pumped to the longest boundary, beating square leg and mid wicket comfortably. This will heighten his confidence. Concerns the 4 wickets that they have lost. Once again, going for the big heave. Teja, the man in form, creaming that one. His first 6 of the innings.
Well, look at it, the pickup. Waited, watched. Goes down on one knee. And just caresses that to
Deliveries they took for their first 50. Clean striking this one. Backspin on that delivery. Excellent shot by Teja. Seen Amravati Royals once again pulling off a heist. Excellent shot here. He'll bisect both the fielders. 1 bounce 4. 13 off it. Beg your pardon, 17 off it. 113 for 4. Excellent glove work by Ricky Bowie. The captain completely has been checked in today. Brilliant with the bat yesterday. Brilliant with the gloves today.
not once, but he's done it twice and done the batter with quick hands. You don't need to go upstairs for that.
Over. And that's been picked up only to find the fielder. Well, this man certainly getting into a habit of striking off his very first delivery in every spell that he's coming on to bowl. Very good evening, Ashok Malhotra.
Good evening, and what a wicket. First ball of the second spell. He seems to be a man with the golden arm, hitting the boundaries. Oh, that is what I'm talking about. It was in the arc, and it went out of the park. This is what I've been talking about. You need to
He
accelerate.
picked up the slower delivery, went down on that right knee, got a lot of elevation and distance.
Oh, nicely hit. 2 runs, or it's a boundary. That is what they need. Their boundaries are coming thick and fast now.
That poor delivery, put away. That's coming right at us. That's a massive 6. 2 sixes in this over. It's turned out to be a costly one. 18 runs of over number 17, 139.
You should have a knack of that is what I'm saying. He is batting beautifully. Raju timed it to perfection. Didn't try to hit the ball hard. It was in his arc and it went out of the park.
He's tall, he's lanky, he's unassuming. He looks a shy guy, but wow. High, handsome out of here. KSN Raju's putting on a show with the bat tonight. And he's taken a liking to the slow ball bowlers.
Very, very useful. 34 runs in the last 2 overs, and he's
So you just mentioned that you want to learn Python. So do not learn Python in manual way in 2025 because learning Python in manual way will take you.
got look at him. Look at that. That is what I'm saying. Another 6. Another GMR 6. Wonderful hitting, just half tracker.
Sheikh Abbas. Wow, flat 6, didn't have to move. Full delivery. Has he found the fielder? Straight to him. Had to move little to his left. And finally Teja gets his second. Came under a barrage of hits but has come back well.
Dhanush. This is how it was taken. Wonderful guy.
Very fine catches. Wow. What a way to bring up your 50 in a very important game, in a situation. Team was in trouble, but this man has walked out batting for the first time. He's bowled in the previous occasions, but he's shown his value as a batter. And he's bailed his team out of trouble and taking them to a position of respectability. Well played, KSN Raju.
Look at that. It's a big, big one. Absolutely. The line belongs in a very consistent with this. But it is a free hit. Oh, nicely bowled. Good comeback. Very well bowled. But the fact is, he's gone for very phenomenal. Long levers. Oh, look at that. Beautifully hit through covers for 4. He's leaking runs. Runs are coming thick and fast.
This one's high. Long off coming underneath it. And takes it as well. That's a fine catch. And it takes a good catch to bring an end to a good innings as well, Sunshiners.
Look at that. He didn't time it perfectly. Hit the bottom of the bat. It was high in the air. Look at the fielder.
As well. Wow! Right out of the screws. And that will be a 6. They may be having their individual battles going on, but this one's been won by Lalit. What a way to get off the mark as well.
Look where it was in his arc. Smashed over mid-wicket. For another GMR maximum.
Good delivery. Nicely done. Closes out well. A bit of a stare, bit of a glare. And the Vijayawada Sunshiners finish on 185 for 8 in 20 overs.
The partnership between Hebar and Abhinav. Then both departed very quickly thanks to Balapuri. And then Vasu got out early.
And they 2 for 55. Sai Teja gave away runs, but he got wickets. Ranjit 1 for 23 was good. His economy was 7, stood out. But the man who
Punched off the back foot, through the covers. That's racing away. Should be at least 2. And the fielders managed to pull that. And they've gotten those 3 important runs. What a way to begin with.
He'll just check the boundary check.
On the leg side this time, Clip. There is protection in the deep, but he'll have to make the yards, which he couldn't. So the first boundary comes in here in this innings for the Simadri Vizag Lions, and it's come. He goes through the covers. That's a fantastic cover drive. Super stuff here from KH Vida. He's not going to wait this out. Goes up and over. Ashwin Hebar, the captain, takes the catch. That is it. He steps up again with the ball. KSN Raju.
And it's been Raju's day so far. 50 with the bat, and now drawing first flood for the Sunshiners. Ashwin Hebar, he won't miss such dollies. He's delighted, elated, the young.
Advances down, and he's caressed that once again. Nice lofted shot. KH Veera once again. This time it could be another catch. Put down. It was difficult for Prithviraj.
Yeah, just was slow off the block. Should have taken it. Put down as a dropped catch. Really didn't make a good ground. Eventually checking his hand. His left arm seam will be...
Oh, that's a big one. That's a mighty 6. GMR 6 of the match.
Contender for the GMR 6er of the match. It was this from KH Veera. Face-off option taken by Raju.
Oh, this time flicked. Nice on the leg side. One bounce and another boundary.
Oh, that's in the air. That could be taken. Man swirling. There's Ashwin Hebar. Oh, misses it. That should have been taken by the skipper. Sumit can't believe it. He can't say much to the captain as well.
It was Veera who hit the ball up in the air. Look at him. He was under it for a while.
Last ball of the power play. Oh, that's edge. That's taken. That's taken. There was a noise. There was a deflection. And Dhanush has to go back now. So Sumit rewarded finally. Deserved that wicket in his third over.
It was. It moved away from the left-hander. Dhanush, who had no clue whatsoever. Take a feint tackle, and wicketkeeper made no mistake. Another single. Moves on to 45 after 7. Vizag Lions.
Yeah, this was a no ball. Really a crime. A spinner bowling a no ball. The line belongs to the umpire. Well, last ball still has to be bowled because it was a no ball. It was a no ball there. So it's going to be a free hit.
Where does it go? Yes, 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 yes. It's coming into the comp box, is it? No. Just below our comp box. Wonderful hitting. A free hit, took full advantage of it. Oh, it was a long hop. Help yourself written on it. And hit me written on it. Nicely bowled, beautifully bowled. Another boundary. Sometimes game can be very cruel. It was a good delivery.
This time Apesh, that's high up in the air. Fielder swirling under that one. And he won't get there. That's going to be a boundary. That's going to be a 4 to end the over.
Yeah, he completes his 50 after all. Very labored one run he got. He was moved on to 49 comfortably, but then there it is. The fans cheering. Veera's a 50.
Swings his bat, fielder, and he palms it over for a 6. He was there for that reason. Covered some ground.
He's been dropped third time, Veera. Sumit was a fielder. That should have been taken, yeah. Few yards back, that could have been taken.
Inside edge. And this is going to run away for a 4. Lucky runs, and they all count, they all matter. And now, there's hype in the air, cries of catch it, that's over third, and that's a 6. All right then, the runs are coming thick and fast.
He tried his best, Lalit Mohan, but he couldn't do much. Needed a bigger ladder.
Picked up beautifully, and that's over, backward point. That's another 6. Back-to-back GMR maximums. And now the chase is finding some semblance. What a strike. Straight as a ramrod over the side screen. He's dealing in 6s. Hanish Veera. And this is his 6th 6.
Very clean striker. Lovely shot as well. Put away in style, going the distance.
No stopping this man. Clean strikes. That's into the crowd. Someone will have to take it. Veera's making it count this evening. And he's having a whale of a time.
Stands up. Lovely connection. The skipper just going up to him now. The bowler, Vasu, just telling. Sometimes you do think that they can pick up a wicket, but that's going to be a 4. That's going to be a boundary. Very nicely played by Ricky Bowie. That's goes down the ground. That's going to be a 4. That's really clobbered on the offside. That's powered on the offside.
So far between both these batters. That's out of here. Powerful strike. That was in the air for a long time. Length, distance, power, everything behind it.
Getting the elevation and the distance just in the slot for him. Takes a big stride forward, and that's Ricky Bowie for you.
Strong performance. Long off is a mere spectator. The 100-run partnership comes up. The captain is saying, it's time to take things into my hand now. 6 of the over, and what a way to end it as well. 22 runs coming off it. Exactly what you were trying to imply, Ajay Mehra. And by the end of it, he's leaked another 4 behind the wicket in the same region.
Well, and there it is, Bowie Ricky. He's ready to go and he's ready to finish. He doesn't want to wait whatsoever. He is in a hurry here. 201 sixes in the GMR Andhra Premier League.
Given us a feast, a display.
Yeah, there is a chance for him to get 100. And if he keeps hitting like this, he definitely will. Another GMR 6 of the match. And the Vizag crew now know.
Veera has been unreal.
Ricky Bowie doing the right thing. He's placed it to perfection. He moves on to his 50. Ricky Bowie gets another 50 within 2 consecutive days and 2 back-to-back matches. And they'll applaud the captain's knock here. He's come into the mix and he's powered them so close to victory.
Stamping his class and authority is Ricky Bowie.
Oh, he's trying to finish this off in this over itself. And the boundary comes in here. Shot pitched. He's gone for a 6, and that is the first maiden 100 for KH Veera. And the first one for him in the GMR Andhra Premier League. 203 sixes. And KH Veera deserves a standing applause from everybody as he's managed to put up a powerful performance here today.
A lion has roared for the Simhadri Vizag Lions, and his name is Hanish Veera. Excellent knock by this young man. And this is the moment, cutting it over point. Excellent shot by KH Veera, the 9th 6 of his innings for the young man.
And that's it, done and dusted. What a wonderful chase this has been from the Simhadri Vizag Lions, who win their first game in the GMR Andhra Premier League. And kudos and courtesy to KH Veera and their captain, Ricky Bowie. A fantastic batting display in a chase that looked difficult. He came out to bat with the M. Abhishek Reddys. Until then, he stuck. Dhanush came, Dhanush went, captain came out, and then the partnership of 100.
Bowling card for the Sunshiners. Nothing really to take home. Everyone clinically taken to the cleaners. Bharat there, the impact player. being
For us so far, the Vijayawada Sunshiners put up 185 for 8. Kesan Raju, GSP Teja, they were the pick of the lot when it came to the batting. Bailapuri, definitely the super sub.
సో వీరా చెప్పు అంటే హౌ వాజ్ యువర్ ఇన్నింగ్స్ లైక్ 100 కొట్టో యువర్ ఫస్ట్ 100 ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఐపీఎల్ సీజన్ ఐ థింక్ లెట్స్ టేక్ అస్ త్రూ అంటే ఎలా అప్రోచ్ అయ్యో గేమ్ని యూనో మైండ్ సెట్ ఏముండే.
ద సింపుల్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఐమ్ క్యాప్టెన్ అండ్ కోచ్ ప్లాన్ తగ్గట్టు వెళ్ళిపోయాను అంతే. అంటే వాట్ ఈజ్ మై అప్రోచ్, రియల్ అప్రోచ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసే ట్రై చేశాను అండ్ ఈరోజు అది సక్సెస్ అయింది.
బ్యూటిఫుల్ షాట్స్ కొట్టో ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద పార్క్ సిక్స్లు కానీ అది ఒకసారి సెట్ అయిన తర్వాత యూనో దర్ వాజ్ నో స్టాపింగ్. ఐ హోప్ యూ కంటిన్యూ ద సేమ్ ఫామ్. ఆ పార్ట్నర్షిప్ కూడా మనకి చాలా క్రూషియల్ అయింది ఈరోజు. ఏమంటావు?
అండ్ మీరు ఏ మైండ్ సెట్తో వచ్చారన్న ఈరోజు? ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ మ్యాచ్ కూడా 50 కొట్టారు. ఈవెన్ అంత టఫ్ మ్యాచ్ మనం ఓడిపోయినా కూడా అంటే ఎంతో స్ట్రాంగ్ మైండ్ సెట్తో ఈరోజు మీరు వచ్చారు లోపలికి.
మైండ్ సెట్ అంటే టీమ్కి మనం ఒకసారి ఏదో చేయాలి గెలిపిద్దాం అని మైండ్ సెట్తో వస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అన్నీ అలైన్ అయిపోతుంటుంది. సో మనకి టీమ్కి ఆ టైంలో కావాల్సింది ఏంటి, వికెట్స్ పడకుండా మ్యాచ్ డీప్ పట్టుకెళ్దాం. ఒకసారి మనకి మొమెంటం వస్తే ఎక్కడైనా గేమ్ లూజ్ అయిపోతుంది మనకి తెలుసు. సో అదే జరిగింది ఈరోజు కూడా.
మన టీమ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అంత కామ్గా ఉంది, అంటే కామన్ స్టేబుల్గా. ఈవెన్ స్టార్టింగ్లో మనకి రన్స్ రాకపోయినా కూడా అంటే కామ్గా ఉంది, ఎక్కడైనా ప్రెజర్ పెట్టుకోకుండా. అంటే ఎలా చేశారు?
ఇది ఆబ్వియస్లీ మనకి గేమ్ ప్లాన్ తెలుసు, వికెట్ కూడా బెటర్ అవుతుంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ప్రెషర్ గేమ్స్లో కామ్ ఉండడమే ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎందుకంటే ఆపోజిషన్ కూడా ప్రెషర్లో ఉంటారు. ఎవరు ఎక్కువ కంపోజర్ మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ద లాస్ట్ లాఫ్. అండ్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ రూమ్లో కూడా మనకి ఫస్ట్ 2 games విన్స్ రాకపోయినా యూనో బట్ స్టిల్ కీపింగ్ ద పాజిటివ్ అప్రోచ్ ఉంచుకొని అందరూ టీమ్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ బాగా చేస్తారు, అందరినీ నమ్మి ఇప్పుడు ఒక మొమెంటం కావాలి, ఆ విన్ ఈరోజు వచ్చింది. ఐ థింక్ విల్ క్రూజ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. అండ్ ఆల్సో థ్యాంక్స్ టు అవర్ ఓనర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఐ థింక్ దే హ్యావ్ రియల్లీ సపోర్టెడ్ అస్ రియల్లీ వెల్.
అసలు ఏంటన్నా అసలు చాలా
న్యాచురల్గా వచ్చింది రా కీపింగ్, ఫ్లోలో వచ్చింది. అండ్ వర్క్ చేశాను ఆబ్వియస్గా. అండ్ లాట్ మోర్ టు కమ్ రా, చూస్తుంటావు కొత్తవన్నీ.